One oil, 7 incredible uses, and you're probably only using it for maybe one of those. Let's fix that. Lavender essential oil is probably the single most best known and most popular essential oil in the whole realm of essential oils. But a lot of people only think about it in terms of that it is relaxing, or some people act like it is actually like an instant, puts them to sleep almost instantly. I literally have people come into my booth during shows and say, oh no, I don't want to smell the lavender. I can't go to sleep right now. So it doesn't work like that. Natural remedies in general don't work like that. They're much more subtle, take a little bit more time, particularly on something like soothing you and putting you to sleep. Let's dive into the 7 uses of lavender essential oil, some of which you really may not be familiar with. One of the first uses of lavender essential oil that I want to share with you is probably the one that started modern aromatherapy, and that is that it can actually be applied neat to small burns and scrapes for healing. In fact, I can't ever really say his name. I have never taken French. René Maurice Gattefossé discovered this benefit in his own lab when he burned himself severely. He was a perfumer and he had experienced a major burn on his arm, and he literally stuck his whole arm into a vat of lavender essential oil, and it healed it amazingly fast and well. And that is what started the whole aromatherapy. Lavender is one of the most gentle essential oils, so I recommend that as one of the few essential oils that can actually be used on babies. It and chamomile essential oil. As long as you're getting a good quality, pure essential oil, those are 2 of the ones that I would suggest, about the only 2 that I would suggest for use on babies or really, really small children. But back to the 7 uses of lavender essential oil. Using it on burns and scrapes and things like that is one of the top uses of lavender essential oil. Second use of lavender essential oil is that it's great for headaches and migraines. So you can have a bottle of lavender essential oil and simply smell it, and that can really help with those with headaches and migraines. You can take a drop or 2 and rub it on your temples. That can help as well. The third benefit of lavender essential oil is that it can help with skin inflammation because it's got anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits as well. So those are the first 3 benefits of lavender essential oil that I wanted to talk to you about. One of the ways that you can start bringing some of those benefits into your skin or your body really easily is our lavender sage body oil. So this is in a base oil of safflower oil, and then it's got the essential oils of lavender, patchouli, and clary sage. So it's very soothing and moisturizing to your skin. So obviously this is probably not what you want to put on as far as burns and some of the other uses that straight lavender essential oil, or even just a dilution of lavender. For burns, I would be using neat or straight lavender essential oil on those things. And then there may be other instances where you might just want to have pure lavender essential oil, just straight diluted. But in terms of overall soothing, our lavender sage body oil is a great alternative already done for you. Then moving on, lavender essential oil, which you probably are more familiar with, is that it can help as far as relaxing and insomnia, to give you a better night's sleep. And in that respect, our lavender sage body oil could definitely help. You could be rubbing that on your back of your neck or other parts of your body, both as a moisturizer, use it before bed, and that could help you relax. And since lavender also helps you relax, a 5th benefit of lavender essential oil is it really can help reduce anxiety and panic attacks. And again, our lavender sage body oil can help with that as well. Moving on to the third area of lavender essential oil benefits, is the skincare area. And lavender essential oil is one of the essential oils that can be used on any type of skin, oily, dry, in the middle, and it benefits all skin types. So you can use it to help with adult acne. You can use it as far as with dry skin. Hence, that's partly why we put it in our lavender sage body oil, because that's a very moisturizing skin treatment. Lavender essential oil also is beneficial for hair care too. It can help promote hair growth. We even make a lavender rosemary shampoo, liquid shampoo, which it's got both the essential oils of lavender and rosemary in it. Both of those are great essential oils for promoting hair growth. So you've kind of got the best of both worlds in that product. And then lastly is you can use lavender essential oil as a deodorant. So you can put some of that, if you use liquid soaps, for example, you could put a couple of drops of lavender essential oil into your liquid soap, or we make some bar soaps, for example, with lavender essential oil, lavender oatmeal, a lavender chamomile, lavender sage, and then there's other lavender soaps out there in the market. Just make sure that, again, that you're getting actual lavender essential oil in the product, because it's not going to, just the fragrance oil where it's not truly an essential oil is not really going to benefit you. It's not going to have those aromatherapy benefits like the lavender essential oil is. So to recap, our 7 benefits of lavender essential oil that you may not be aware of or might not been aware of, and hopefully you can start bringing that more into your life now, is starting way back with our French perfumer who discovered that it was really great for burns. Also, we've extrapolated that to scrapes, minor cuts. It's also very beneficial for migraines and headaches, as well as skin inflammation. That's 3. And then we go on to insomnia and better sleep, as well as stress and tension and anxiety. And then skincare benefits as far as acne, as well as dry skin. And then lastly, deodorant. So there you go. We could also even throw in insect bites because it helps with that as well. So lavender essential oil is probably one of the most popular and beneficial and safe essential oils that's in the whole world of essential oil. So if you have been nervous about sticking your toe in the water of using essential oils, lavender is a great place to start. I do know people can be allergic to anything, so it may not be your cup of tea, but if you like it, give it a try. Just remember, more is not always better. For the most part, anytime you're using an essential oil over a large part of your body, you definitely want to be diluting it to a 2% of the essential oil in the ratio of the base oil. That's just maybe a couple of drops, for example, in a tablespoon of a base oil like olive oil or almond oil. We use safflower oil for our body oil, something like that. So we've got a free download that you can grab that really helps you get more familiar with the world of essential oils and bring them in to your own life so that you feel comfortable and safe using them. Link will be down in the description, in addition to our other links, product links that are down there. So if you like the information in this video and it was helpful to you, consider signing up for my channel. You just hit the subscribe button down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching and wish you a great day. Take care. Till next time.